Get a feel for the 2016 Toyota Tundra. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 100,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle delivers the best of sporty styling and modern efficiency. Confidence comes standard thanks to driver-focused design, state-of-the-art safety features, and a premium feel. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection, rear-wheel drive, stability control, traction control, pass-through rear seat. Feel the satisfaction that comes from optimizing your driving pleasure. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.